The Pi Connect is a hat for a Raspberry Pi designed to reliably and easily integrate power and communications for your autonomous vehicle. It has a reliable high current power supply on board, plus 3 UARTs and an ADC for connections to external components. Here we see the Pi Connect hooked up to a Pixhawk flight controller, an Arduino, and an analog light sensor. The Pixhawk and the Arduino are both on UARTs, the Arduino being powered from the Pi Connect. The telemetry from the flight controller can be forwarded over a network via the Raspberry Pi and Pi Connect. The analog light sensor's values can also be read via the web-based GUI. The telemetry from the Arduino serial port can be also transferred over the network as shown here. The power button for the Pi Connect will, when pushed to on, will boot up the Raspberry Pi. And then switching the off button will initiate a clean shutdown on the Raspberry Pi.